Hello everybody, welcome to my channel and today's video. First of all, happy Halloween or blessed Samhain, whichever is most appropriate for you. Today's video is a little bit of a different one because today, ladies and gentlemen, I am here to reveal to you all a brand new advent calendar. Ooh, this is one that, you're going to think, well, I haven't seen anything about this. I've not heard about it. Where can I get my hands on this? Don't you panic, ladies and gentlemen. I am going to tell you all the details. I'm going to show you all the products inside this wonderful advent calendar that is worth just shy of 300 UK pounds. That's right, 300 of those dinky little gold coins. That's how much this is worth. Before we go any further, I am going to show you the size of this. Are you ready? I have had my Weetabix this morning and boy do I need it. Here we go. Here we go. This is what the advent calendar comes in. It comes in this wonderful red and white sack there. So you get absolutely everything in this calendar. It is a 25-day calendar, ladies and gentlemen. So this calendar, I am going to show you all the packages that are inside. However, I'm not going to actually show you the products because they're all wrapped up. All I am going to do is I'm going to tell you the RRP value of each day's goodies. Okay, but they're not in really in the date order or number order. So I'm just going to pull one out and we'll see what we've got. I'm going to put it down as well because it's a bit big. So I'm going to pop it down here on the floor at the side of me. And the first number I've pulled out the sack is day number 9. This has an RRP value of £20.99. There are 2 items in day number 9, ladies and gentlemen. There we go. Next one out the sack is day number 12. Again, there are 2 items in here and the RRP of these 2 combined is £13. Next one out the bag is day number 14. Just 1 item here, ladies and gentlemen, in day number 14, and this item has an RRP value of £9.99. Day number 2 here now, ladies and gentlemen. This is obviously, as you can see, in a little TJC velvety bag, and this has 4 products in it, this one, guys. Yes, it does. 4 products in this little bag, and it has a total RRP value of around about £15. And day number 17 now, ladies and gentlemen, another little velvet pouch. This has 2 items in it, and the RRP value of this is approximately £10. Day number 10 is the next one out the bag, and this is just 1 item, and it has an RRP of £6.50. Day number 5 now, and another single item in day number 5. This has an RRP of £10. Day number 16, again, it comes in the little black velvet pouch, and this has a single item in it with an RRP of £6. Day number 18 is the next one out the bag. This has 2 items in it with a combined RRP value of £17. Day number 4 now, another little velvet pouch. This has 2 items in with an RRP value of £7. Day number 13 next, again just a single item, but this one has an RRP of £16. Day number 19, another little black velvet pouch, and this is just a single item with an RRP of £10. Day number 22 next, again a single item with an RRP of another £10. And day number 8, again another single item, however the RRP of this one is £30. Ooh. Day number 6 now, this again a single item, but this has an RRP of £12. Day number 23, something else in a little black velvet pouch. This is a single item and it has an RRP of £8. Day number 20 now, guys. This has got a bit scrunched up in the bag, but never mind, it's only the outer packaging. This contains 2 items and has an RRP of £27. Day number 11, and this is a single item with an RRP of £7.50. Day number 3, another single item with an RRP of £7.50. Day number 15 next. This contains 3 items and has a total RRP value of £15. Day number 1, to start the advent calendar off on a bang, we have 2 items in here with a combined value of £15. Day number 21, a single item in this with an RRP of £5. Day number 20 comes in another black velvet pouch. This day contains 5 items with a combined retail value of approximately £11. Day number 25, this contains 3 items and has an RRP value of £6. And last but not least, for Christmas Eve, we have this cool mangoes package. This contains 10 items and has an RRP value of approximately £15. So there we go, everybody. Those are your 25 days worth of goodies and their RRP values inside the very first Making It Up advent calendar. So how do you get your hands on this? Well, if you've not already figured it out, I am doing a giveaway. This is actually a giveaway in celebration of my 1-year anniversary, which is coming up very, very shortly. I can't believe it's almost a year since I've been on YouTube, since I started this crazy, crazy journey. The idea for this giveaway was given to me by 2 of my wonderful subscribers, Rebecca and Anita. Thank you so much, ladies. I have thoroughly enjoyed constructing this advent calendar for you all. I hope you've enjoyed, or I hope whoever wins enjoys all the hard work I have put into this calendar, because it has taken quite a while to get everything together, to get it all wrapped up, and one thing and another. So then, everybody, what do you have to do to get your hands on this wonderful prize, which is worth approximately £300? Well, first of all, you've got to be subscribed onto this channel, obviously. You also need to make sure that those subscriptions are set to public. Otherwise, I can't check that you are actually subscribed to me, you know? Secondly, please head over to my Instagram account. It's the same name, Making It Up, although there's no hyphen and no gaps in the name. I'll pop the Instagram details down here for you now. Head over to my Instagram and follow me on there. So you have to be subscribed on YouTube. You also have to be following me on Instagram. Thirdly, you need to leave a comment on this video, but not just any comment. No, no, no. I would like you to tell me if, you know, what would be your ideal product to find in an advent calendar. It might be your favourite product ever. It might be a really high-end product that you'd love to try out, but you just no way can you afford it. Or it might be just something like, I don't know, you fancy taking up cross stitch, so you'd like to see a cross stitch thing in there. Whatever it is, what would be the #1 product that you would love to see in an advent calendar? Okay, the closing date for this competition is midnight on Thursday, the 12th of November 2020. So you literally have 13 days, guys. Me and my wacky unlucky numbers. You have 13 days to enter this giveaway. Unfortunately, the giveaway is only open to UK or European residents. I am so sorry, but I will not be able to send this giveaway internationally due to some of the items that are in there. I'm so sorry, guys, that's just the way it is. The winner will be announced live on my Friday Night Natter on Friday the 13th of November. So if you want to watch live and see the draw in front of your very eyes, please do join me for that Friday night live stream, 8 PM GMT or UK time. Thank you for watching, everybody, as always. If you are new to my channel, the warmest of welcomes. This is only, I think, the third giveaway I've ever done, and like I say, it is in honour of celebrating my very nearly 1 year anniversary on YouTube. That live stream on the 13th of November will be my 1 year anniversary celebratory live stream. So please do grab your favourite beverage, come over and join us in that. It always ends up in giggles, usually me doing the giggling, I have to say. It's a really nice, open-minded, encouraging, supportive, virtual get-together. If you want to check out some of my other content before that, then please do so. I've got quite a bit in the back catalogue now. I do makeup looks, I do makeup hauls, I do beauty box subscription unboxings, I do gothic and alternative lifestyle subscription box unboxings. Please do head over. Like I say, I'll pop a couple of options of previous videos up here for you at the end. If you're not already, you must hit that subscribe button, guys, if you're wanting to follow me on the next year of this crazy YouTube journey. Click your notification bell, make sure it's turned on to all. That way YouTube will tell you every time I upload a video, which is around about 3 times a week at the moment. I think that's everything for today, everybody. Don't forget, be subscribed on here, follow me on Instagram, comment down below with your favourite product that you would love to see in an advent calendar, and good luck, everybody. Make sure you get those entries in before midnight on Thursday the 12th of November 2020, and I shall hopefully see you all in that live stream on Friday the 13th of November, where we will pick the winner. Enjoy the rest of your day, everybody. Keep safe and well. Keep it spooky.